Right away, who will be the first to play? Miss Smith comes up at once when she hears us screaming. She has a good nose for the forbidden fun. Redhead takes revenge on her friend for being greedy and turns in the blue-eyed girl. The game seems to be over for the girls today, though it's just begun for Miss Smith. But the blue-eyed girl has a plan of how to take her PlayStation back. She will distract the teacher with an unusual pen. Tuck the earphone cord into a wide cocktail straw. From one side, there's a plug sticking out, and from the other, there are your earbuds. Wind a velvet ribbon around the straw and hot glue. Decorate the earphones with foam rubber flowers. The blue-eyed girl offers the flower pen to Miss Smith. Bingo! The teacher takes out the earphones and forgets about everything. It's a perfect time to take the PlayStation from under her nose. But Miss Smith is not even disappointed. She quickly plugs the earphones in her phone and listens to her favorite collection of Remix on Rock and Roll School by Ramones. Why is Miss Smith crying? Is she reading our What Do I Want to Be When I Grow Up essays? Or maybe she has something more interesting hidden in her notebook. Is it an e-book reader? Take a thick notebook and make a hole in it to fit the size of an e-reader. Cut out the pages to fit the depth of the device. Put in the e-reader and close the notebook. What is going on with the teacher? She has made no remarks for 10 minutes. Miss Smith is so deep in her novel that she doesn't even pay attention on her students. Such an exciting plot. It's a pity that the chapter is over and the teacher keeps on making her comments. It's getting way too cold in class. It's great that Redhead took a scarf along. It will not just warm you up, it will also help you hide an MP3 player. Cut out a silhouette of a rabbit head with ears from cardboard. Trace it on pink fleece. Cut out 2 details with some allowance. Sew them together. Leave a small hole and turn the rabbit right side out. Fill the toy with hollow fiber filling. Sew the hole. Draw eyes and a nose with a black marker. Decorate an ear with a button. Attach Velcro to the back. Sew the toy to the scarf. Attach only side parts and the bottom of the muzzle. Leave the top loose. This will be a pocket. Sew the other part of the Velcro to the scarf opposite the fastener on the rabbit. Put in the player and fasten the Velcro. Redhead puts the player into the rabbit, pulls the earphones under the scarf, and enjoys the music. Beyoncé's voice is definitely better than Miss Smith's. The blue-eyed girl tries to tell something to her neighbor, but she doesn't hear. Excellent! She has a life hack too. She puts her MP3 player into the pocket of her shirt, winds the cord, and hides it under her hair. The sitting dances begin. A class of arts and crafts. I wish I made a phone from modeling clay, or I'd better take out mine, but the teacher may notice it easily. It's great that my friend's taking care of a stash. Take some bars of modeling clay out of the middle of the package. Mark the size of the empty space and cut out a piece of scrapbooking cardboard to fit in. Cover the space for the phone with the cardboard. Put in the device and close the box. The package of modeling clay is a perfect place to hide your phone, and if the teacher notices something, you can swipe the lid quickly, keep smiling, and modeling. Redhead has the easiest way to hide a tablet. It needs no cutting or gluing. Put a tablet into a paper folder with a rubber band. The girls are watching their favorite video right during the class, but Miss Smith wants to watch the movie too. The show begins right in the middle of the math class. The teacher's gotten so enthralled by the video that she forgets about forbidden devices in class. This is what we call interactive learning. Did you like our ideas? Then write in your comments which stash for your devices and gadgets you will make in class. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new and interesting ideas from the Troom Troom channel.